Hi all, welcome to Learn with Aspirant 15 YouTube channel. Here in this session we discuss top 25 GK questions for SSC, CGL and other competitive examinations. Here our first question is, when is World Immunization Day is celebrated? Options are A. 10th November, B. 10th December, C. 24th March, D. 7th April. And here option A is correct answer, 10th November. On 24th March, we celebrate World TB Day. Not celebrate, it is World TB Day. 7th April, it is World Health Day. Moving to question number second. When is World Health Day celebrated? I think I already told you. It is 7th April. On 24th March, we celebrate, not celebrate, TB Day. World TB Day. On 21st March, World Forest Day. On 30 January, it is National Martyrs Day or Shahid Divas. Moving to question number 3. When is World Tuberculosis Day celebrated? I think I already told you. It is on 24th March. 7th April is World Health Day. And December 1st is World AIDS Day. And 22 April is World Earth Day. Moving to question number 4. Which commission recommended the Backward Classes Commission? Options are A. Kaka Kalekar Commission, B. Mandal Commission, C. First Backward Classes Commission, D. Kalekar Committee. Here option A is correct answer. Kaka Kalekar Commission. Moving to question number 5. Which part 10th of the Indian Constitution deals with? Your options are A. Scheduled and tribal areas, B. Fundamental rights, C. Emergency provisions, D. Panchayats. Here option A is correct answer. Scheduled and tribal areas. And fundamental rights is part 3. Emergency provisions are part 18. Panchayats are in part 9. Okay, moving to question number 6. What is the primary component of natural gas? Here options are A. Methane, option B. Ethane, option C. Propane, option D. Butane. Here option A is correct answer, methane. And second primary component is ethane. So moving to question number 7. Which article deals with environmental protection? Options are Article 48A, Article 21, Article 32, Article 19. Here option A is correct answer. I think I don't need to tell you about these 3 articles. You know well about them. Moving to question number 8. When is World Leprosy Day is celebrated or observed? Here options are last Sunday of January, option B 21st March, option C 24th March, option D 5th June. Here option A is correct answer. Last Sunday of January. On 21st March we celebrate Forest Day. World Forest Day. 24th March TB. 5th June World Environment Day. Moving to question number 9. When is World Forest Day celebrated? I think I already told you. It is on 21st March. 22 April celebrate Earth Day. 5th June World Environment Day. And in 16th September we celebrate World Ozone Day. Moving to question number 10th. Emergency provisions are in which part of the Constitution? Here option C is part 18, option B is part 17th. Option C is part 16th. Option D is part 19th. Here option A is correct answer. Part 18th. Moving to question number 11. National emergency is mentioned in which article? Your options are 352, 356, 360, 368. Your option A is correct answer. 352. 356, state emergency. 360, financial emergency. And 368, constitutional amendment. That is CA amendment. Question number 12. Article 356 deals with, I think I already told you, it deals with presidential leave. That is state emergency. National emergency 352. Financial emergency 360. And amendment 368. Moving to question number 13th. Financial emergency is mentioned in which article? I think I already told you. It is mentioned in 360. 350 national emergency, 356 state emergency, that is presidential rule. Moving to question number 14. Article 19 provides how many freedoms? Your options are A6, B5, C7, D8. Here option A is correct answer. 6 freedoms. And moving to question number 15. 73rd Constitutional Amendment is related to. Here option A is correct answer. Panchayat Raj. And municipality is 74th. GST is 101 Constitutional Amendment. And fundamental duties is 42nd Constitutional Amendment. And this 42nd Constitutional Amendment came amended in 1976. Okay, moving to question number 33. Sorry, question number 16. Article 33 deals with option A, armed forces and FR restriction. FR means fundamental rights restrictions. And B, citizenship. And C, elections. And D, judiciary. Here option A is correct answer. Armed forces and their fundamental rights restrictions. Moving to question number 17. Article 42 mentions A, maternity relief and humane work conditions. Option B, environment. Option C, education. Option D, equal pay. Here option A is correct answer. Maternity relief and humane work conditions. And moving to question number 18. Election Commission is mentioned in which article? Your options are option A 324, option B 325, option C 326, option D 327. Here option A is correct answer. 324. Moving to question number 19th. Which article deals with constitutional amendment? I think I already told you. Here option A is correct answer. 368. 352 national emergency. 356 state emergency, that is presidential rule. Moving to question number 20. Which article is called heart and soul of the Constitution? Options are A 32, option B 14, option C 19, option D 21. Here option A is correct answer. 32. It talks about constitutional remedies. And who said that this article is heart and soul of the Constitution? It is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Moving to question number 21. Reservation for SC, ST in legislatures is under. The options are A 330, B 332, C 335, D 338. Here option A, C is correct answer. 335. Moving to question number 22. Joint sitting of Parliament is mentioned in which article? Option A 108, option B 110, option C 111, that is 111, option B 123. Here option A is correct answer. In 110 money bill. Moving to question number 23rd. Which, which state formed after the amendment of Article 239A and 240? Options are A. Goa, option B. Puducherry, option C. Mizoram, option D. Arunachal Pradesh. Here option D is correct answer. Arunachal Pradesh. Moving to question number 24th. Removal of civil servant is mentioned in which article? Options are A. 311, option B. 309, option C. 310, option D. 312. Here option A is correct answer. 311. Article 361 deals with option A. President and governor's immunity, option B. Emergency, option C. Elections, option D. Amendments. Here option A is correct answer. President and governor's immunity. I mean, it protects governor and president from some kind of legal proceedings. That's it for the day.